Speed, accuracy, minimizing downtime for wind turbines, consistently meeting high-performance blade inspection metrics while scaling your maintenance business is achievable when you have autonomous drones and sophisticated software. But having the time and resources to build out a state-of-the-art inspection service is another story. With AssetCare Blade Inspection, it could be the story of your business. AssetCare Blade Inspection provides AI-enabled blade analysis and damage classification that complements your team and takes your blade inspection service to the forefront of analysis, speed, accuracy, and credibility. Getting started with mCloud is easy. We supply you with autonomous drones, operator training, and cloud-based software, so you can take flight quickly with no upfront costs or long-term commitment. Your personnel merely position the drones at the nose of the turbine, and the AI-based autonomous flight control software does the rest. A full inspection with just one repositioning of the rotor. After image acquisition is complete, the field inspection team uploads the images and metadata to the AssetCare Blade Inspection cloud-based platform. Images are analyzed quickly, hundreds in just seconds, and sorted just as fast. Images with no damage are cleared, while any detected damages, including leading-edge erosion, are quickly classified by type and severity. mCloud analysts review and confirm damages to ensure accuracy. Armed with these results, wind farm owners, operators, and OEMs can efficiently drive maintenance and repair plans that maximize turbine uptime and profitability. Our AssetCare user portal gives you a single, streamlined view into all the data, analysis, and results. Portfolio-level data, blade-level analysis, project management tools, and customizable reports, all through a web-based interface that you and other authorized users can access through any device. AssetCare Blade Inspection can be customized to your needs, so you can quickly start providing blade damage detection and classification with higher than 95% accuracy and deliver results in less than a week. That's how you can take your service offering to new heights with zero upfront costs and maximum reliability. Connect with us at mcloudcorp.com to find out how you can get started today.